Om Namah Shivaya children. Good morning. Children, in the previous class we have learned multiplication. So, hope you all are thorough with the multiplication because now we are going to start our new chapter number 5, division. So, this division chapter is totally based on multiplication. If you don't know multiplication, then it will be very difficult for you to do division. Okay, so you must thorough with the multiplication table. So children, hope you have learned very well. Okay, if you want to do division, the multiplication table will be very thorough. Okay, so why we do this division? Actually, suppose you want to divide 30 children among 5 groups. Okay, 30 children you want to divide among 5 groups. So 30 divided by 5. We have to divide by 5. So how we divide? We will divide by 5. So we should know 5 how many times we multiply, we get 30. Okay, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 we multiply by 6, we get 30. So 5 6 times 30. Write here 6 and 30. So when you divide 6, 5 into 6 is 30. So when you subtract, you get 0. So here 30 is the dividend. The number which you are going to divide is the dividend. The number by which you are divide is the divisor. And the number you get answer as the answer is the quotient. And the after subtraction, the number which you get is the remainder. Suppose sometimes you get remainder as 1, 2 or any number. Okay, here it is 0 because it is fully divided. If not fully divided, you get some remainder like numbers. So that number will be a remainder. So here 30 is dividend because 30 is going to divide by 5. 5 is the divisor. And the answer is the 6 is quotient here, and 0 is the remainder. Okay. Next is properties of division. See here, properties of division. So the first property is when a number is divided by 1. When a number is divided by 1, that means suppose 640 divided by 1. When you divide 640 by 1, you get the same number or the number itself. When you divide any number by 1, you get the number itself. This is the first property. Any number divided by 1, you get the quotient. Quotient is the number. The quotient is the number itself. So here this quotient is the number itself. Like 640 when you divide by 1. So this 640 is the quotient. So that you get the remainder 0. Next property is when a number is divided by itself. Suppose 640 or 335 divided by itself. Same number. When you divide any number by itself, and when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. When you divide the number by the same number, the quotient will be 1. Okay. Then third property is when 0 is divided by any number. Like 0 divided by 450. Okay. When 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. When 0 is divided by any number, okay, any number, 0 has to divide by any number, you get the quotient 0. Fourth is a number cannot be divided by 0. Okay, a number cannot be divided by 0. This is the next property. A number cannot be divided by 0. Here 0 is divided by any number, but next property is 0 cannot be divided by 0. A number cannot be divided by 0. A number cannot be divided by 0. like 450 divided by 0 is not possible. Okay, because 0 is meaningless. 0 has no value. Next, fifth property is division and multiplication are related. Most multiplication facts have two division facts. Like suppose division and multiplication are related. Suppose 320 divided by 10. Okay, 320 divided by 10. Sorry, fifth property is division and multiplications are related. Suppose 21 into 3, okay, gives 21 into 3 is equal to, we multiply and see, 21 into 3, okay, 63. Okay, 63. Okay, 63 can be written as in two ways. 63 divided by 3 is equal to 21, or 63 divided by 21 is equal to 3. 63 divided by 3 is equal to 21, or 63 divided by 21 is equal to 3. In two ways we can write. Okay, so this is the fifth property. Next is division by a one-digit divisor. Division by a one-digit divisor. This we will learn like how we learn multiplication. Same way, okay. So one-digit divisor, okay. So we'll take here same number will take 8,232. Okay, divided by 3. Okay, we have to divide by 3. So first we have to take, here it is 8,232. First we will take the number which is in thousands place, because 8 is in thousands place. So we'll take 8. Okay, so 8 we'll take, and we have to check whether how many times, that is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, next 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So when you see here, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 is less than 8 and 9 is greater than 8. Okay, so we will take 6 because 6 is less than 8. We cannot take greater number than 8. Okay, so we will take 6. 6 because 3 into 2 is, so we will write 2. This 2 will write as quotient in thousands place. Okay, thousands place. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 we will write here in thousands place under 8. Then we subtract. When you subtract, you get 2. Okay, and bring this 2 down. Okay, bring this 2 down because 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. So we have to bring the next digit. Okay, bring hundreds place digit 2 here down. Okay, next is 22. Next is 22. So we have to find out how many times 3 multiplied by how many times we get 22. So 3 into, we'll take, assume 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 6s are 18, we'll take 3 6s are 18. Okay, 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, then 3 into 8 is 24. Okay, here 21 is less than 22 and 24 is greater than 22. So we cannot take 24. We can take 21 only because 21 is less than 22. So here we'll take 3 into 7 is 21 now. So 7 we'll write here in hundreds place. Then when you multiply, 3 into 7 is 21. So this 21 we'll write here in 21. Next under 22. Now next you have to subtract minus here. We'll get 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So next we will bring 1 is less than 3. So we bring this 3 down. Okay, we get 13. Next we have to find out 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 into 5 is 15. Here 12 is less than 13 and 15 is greater than 13. Okay, so we'll take 12 itself. So 12, so 3 4 times 12. When you subtract you get 1. Okay, 1. Next bring this 2 down. So here next is 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Exact number we got. 3 into 4. So we'll write 3 4 times. That is in ones place. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, when you subtract you get 0 as remainder. You get here 1, 2. When you subtract you get 0 as remainder. So here 0 is the remainder. And 2744 is the quotient. Okay. Here 8232 is the divisor. 3 is the 3 is the divisor and 8232 is the dividend. If you want, I will write here 8232 is the dividend, and 3 is the divisor. Okay. Now we have to check this answer whether it is correct or not. So see here. For that we got quotient. Quotient is equal to 2744. Okay, and dividend is equal to 8232. Divisor is equal to 3. Remainder is equal to 0. So how we check? We have to check quotient. We have to check as quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, so quotient is 2744. After multiplying and addition we should get dividend. Okay, into divisor is 3 plus remainder 0 is equal to dividend is, we should get to dividend is 8232. Okay, so when you multiply 2744 into 3, 4 3 is a 12, 4 3 is a 12, 13, 7 3 is a 21, 22, 6, 7, 8. See here, we got 8000 and plus 0 it is. So 8232. So our answer is correct. Okay. So this is the way how we check the answer. So hope you understood. Any doubt you can call me. Anyhow I will take in our live session. So children, thank you.